If you're thinking about booking with Insotel Hotel Group, there are a few key things you absolutely need to know before you make your decision. In this video, we'll cover 7 things that will help you decide whether Insotel is the right choice for your next vacation or business trip. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to expect, how Insotel stacks up against its competitors, and whether it's worth your time and money. First off, let's talk about Insotel Hotel Group's reputation. When compared to other hotel chains, it's clear that Insotel focuses on a more personalized luxury experience, especially with its resorts in popular destinations like Ibiza and Mallorca. You might find that its offerings feel a little more niche and refined compared to other larger hotel chains, but this is also what sets them apart. If you're looking for a more intimate, upscale stay, Insotel might be the perfect fit. But how do they stack up to, say, a hotel chain like Meliá or Iberostar? Well, Insotel's smaller, more exclusive properties allow for a more tailored experience, something these larger brands can sometimes struggle to provide. Next thing to consider is the range of services and amenities Insotel offers. While some other hotel groups may lean heavily on either business-focused services or purely leisure-oriented options, Insotel strikes a good balance. You'll find everything from all-inclusive packages to luxury spas, golf courses, and top-tier restaurants on site. The services available at each property are typically of a higher quality than what you might find at mid-range hotel chains, and the attention to detail is evident. That said, you might not see the same sheer number of amenities as you would at larger resorts like those by Marriott or Hilton. The third thing you should know is about their pricing structure. Insotel Hotel Group can be a bit pricier than some of its competitors, especially if you're eyeing their more luxurious properties. But here's the catch. They often offer better value in terms of included extras like all-inclusive options, free Wi-Fi, and even excursions. While the price might be higher up front, the added value makes it a competitive choice, especially when compared to other luxury options that charge for every little thing. You'll want to weigh this against other high-end brands in the market to see if it aligns with your travel goals and budget. Moving on, let's talk about location. Insotel Hotel Group's properties are mostly located in prime tourist destinations like Ibiza, where competition is fierce. The difference here is that Insotel typically focuses on premium locations, like beaches or secluded spots, that offer guests both relaxation and accessibility. However, if you're looking for a broader spread of destinations, chains like Accor might offer more global reach, whereas Insotel focuses its efforts on a more limited set of spots. Still, the locations they do offer are often superior in terms of natural beauty and proximity to top attractions. Next thing to keep in mind is the customer service. This is a major point where Insotel shines. The customer service experience tends to be exceptional, and they really go out of their way to provide personalized attention. Many guests report that the staff at Insotel is one of the key factors that make their stay memorable. Compare that to larger brands, where sometimes it feels more like you're just another guest in a sea of people. With Insotel, you'll likely get a more intimate and attentive service experience. The sixth thing to consider is the style and design of the hotels. If you're someone who appreciates modern, minimalist design with sleek lines and high-end materials, then Insotel will likely meet your expectations. While some of the larger hotel chains can sometimes feel a little too standardized, Insotel's properties offer a much more unique, luxurious aesthetic. You're looking at stylish, high-end decor in most locations, often with a Mediterranean influence that ties into the surrounding landscape. For those who care about the look and feel of their accommodations, Insotel's attention to detail stands out in the industry. Finally, let's talk about flexibility. Whether it's booking a last-minute getaway or planning a long stay, Insotel offers a level of flexibility that's a bit more accommodating than the larger chains. Many guests appreciate the flexibility when it comes to check-in, check-out times, booking changes, and even custom requests. This is a major advantage when compared to larger chains like Hilton or Hyatt, where your requests might sometimes be subject to stricter rules. If you're on the fence about Insotel Hotel Group, there's one thing I recommend. If you want to get the best offer, try out Insotel for yourself. You can click the first link below to get a free trial and some exclusive benefits when booking. Don't miss out. Check it out today.